What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Ice Breaker roller coaster construction update. And we've heard something interesting is going on over there. Let's check it out. Ticket windows are not busy. Security was a breeze, and it looks like the main entrance also that way. Yep, right on through, and we're on our way. From time to time, we like showing off pin trading here at SeaWorld, and they have some new stuff. Look at this. A flamingo can? Yeah, that's going to be a new one for me. Then we have the 2021 pen over there. And then I also saw this one right here. So it's the sharks, mommy, daddy, brother, sister, you know, like baby shark. But yeah, lots of cool pins. Check it out. And there's Ice Breaker, and I can already see a couple changes from across the lake. Good news on that one. And then over here, we have a crane, but I'm thinking that's just probably for stage removal of the ice show. Nothing else really to report over here for Project Penguin, which was that rumored surf coaster from B&M. If anything else changes, we'll let you know. Most of the sea of trees have been removed from over here, but we still have a lot left on that side, and just a couple over here. Alright, so here we are, a little bit closer view of Ice Breaker, and I see an operations employee over there by the barn. What could that mean? Well, that likely means Premier Rides teams are back on site, and hopefully we could have some testing soon. From what I can see, it looks like the transfer table has moved over. One of the newer things to note are the nets. Yeah, we can see them up, and one of our users commented, whenever the nets go up, that's a good sign the testing may be happening. Correct. So we can see them there. We'll see. Somebody down over there near the transfer table, and it just moved. Laptops are out. I like laptops. That's a good thing. Hooray, nets. Never thought I'd be so happy to see them. But again, when the nets show up, that's a good sign. Testing's gonna happen. Mango Joe's not in operation right now. And here is the front entrance for Ice Breaker. Still no signs. We had the work walls all the way down. The walkway leading to Bayside Stadium is currently closed, but we can get awesome views of Ice Breaker over here still. tell you what, I am having some of the craziest deja vu right now, as this feels pretty much like middle of March last year when it came to testing. So they had the transfer table going back and forth, and then a little bit later on, the train moved onto the transfer table, went back and forth, and we were hoping to see some test runs shortly after, you know, things were getting kind of crazy. Well, that happened, and now, fast forward to January 2021, and we're doing testing again. Clear, acknowledge dispatch. Send that transfer table. There's Spark. Like usual, when we come to SeaWorld Orlando, we check up on our pink chickens. Where are the pink chickens? They're gone. No, this is not okay. but it looks like they're doing a refurb on the exhibit. That is one big bird. The Dolphin Cove area is currently getting a refurbishment. That's why Dolphin Nursery had 8 dolphins in there. Lots of them. So yeah, they're just working on some stuff. It'll reopen soon. Some holiday decorations are still up here in the waterfront, and it's kind of weird because we have Electric Ocean music playing. Sky Tower, and no! Still closed. Will be for a while. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Ice Breaker, and I am very happy to report that it appears Premier Rides teams are back on site. The transfer table was going back and forth, and it looks like we're back on schedule as far as what we were in March when things were happening. So transfer table, then train was on, and then we hope for testing. So nets are up as well. Manta's doing a flyby right here. And of course, if you do like what we do here at SeaWorld Orlando following Icebreaker, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and we'll see you out on the Midway.